Whoa! We're going to fix that today on DIY Plumbing Advice. You may have been a smart homeowner and put a little ball valve goodie on the end of your garden hose, so you don't have to go back to the house where the hose attaches to the building every time you want to adjust the flow or turn it on or off. So when you use the faucet thing, whoa, you get this messy spray. So what you do is you take a section of garden hose, an old garden hose, you cut off the end with the swivel, the female end, however long you like. You screw it on to the end of your smart little ball valve. You still use your valve to adjust the flow. You can use it all the way and get a nice laminar flow, or you can adjust it down. And that's just one of the many tips here at DIYPlumbingAdvice.com. Can you do it? Yes, you can, and I can help. Thanks for watching. Can you do it? You're damn right you can. Thanks for watching. I don't know where to go.